11 নম্বর কোশ্চেন কি বলছে, ড্যাশ ইজ দ্য মেড আপ অফ দ্য স্মোক অ্যান্ড এ ফগ। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, smoke dash is the made out of the smoke and the fog. 11 number question explain the smoke is the type of the air pollution is the caused by the tiny particle in the air. The word is comes from the mixture of the word and the smoke and the fog and the was first used to describe the hazy mixture of the smoke and the sulfur dioxide and the produced by the burning of a large amount of coal in the London in the early 19s. Next question. 12 নম্বর কোশ্চেন কি বলছে, দ্য বাই ভলিউম অ্যান্ড 78% অফ দ্য এয়ার ইজ। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, nitrogen, that is the by is volume of 78% of the air. 2 number question explain the by volume the dry air is the content in 78.0.9% nitrogen, 20.95% oxygen and 0.93% argon, 0.04% is carbon dioxide, and the small is the amount is other gases. Air also is contain in variable amount of the water vapor on an average around 1% at T level and 0.4% over the entire of the atmosphere. Next question. 3 number question কি বলছে যে a cyclone is the known by this different is name in different is part of the world. It is the called a dash is in Japan and Philippines. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, typhoon, just is the cyclone is there is a different name as different part in the world of the Japan of the Philippines. This is the called is the typhoon. 13 number question explain the tropical cyclone and the known by the various name in the different part of the world. In the North Atlantic Ocean, the eastern North and Pacific, they are is the called and hurricane of the end. The western North is the Pacific around that and Philippines, Japan in the China, there is the referred to as is the typhoons. Next question. 14 number question কি বলছে that the day to day condition the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature of the humidity of the rainfall and wind speed etc. This is called dash at the place. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, weather, the day to day is condition from the atmosphere of the place to that is temperature to humidity is rainfall and wind speed is called in that place. 14 number question explain the day to day condition in the atmosphere that is the place of the respect to the temperature and the humidity is the rainfall, the wind speed etc. is the cold and then weather and the place. Weather in the describe the condition at the atmosphere over the short period is the time from the day to week is will the climate to describe to average to condition to over longer period is of the time. Next question. 15 number question কি বলছে the center of a cyclone is a claim of area. It is the called the dash of the storm. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, to I, the center of the cyclone, this is called the area, this is called of the storm of the eye. 15 number question explain the eye is the region of the mostly claim whether at the center of the storm of the cyclone. The eye of the storm is roughly to circular area typically in the 30 to 65 kilometer in the diameter. It is surrounded by an eye wheel is a ring is a towering of the thunderstorm where the most severe weather in the highest wind in the occur. Next question. 16 নাম্বার কোশ্চেন কি বলছে, দ্য এয়ার এক্সপ্যান্ড হুইন ইট ড্যাশ, চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B is heated. Air expand when it is heated. 16 number question explain. According to the kinetic is molecular theory, then average the kinetic energy of the molecules in any substance in the directly proportional to the temperature of the substance. This is the main, and the when heat is the supplied to the object, the temperature of the increase and the kinetic energy of the modules of the increase. When is the energy of heat is the applied to gases such as air, the molecules and atoms in the air get excited of the start moving all direction, that is begin to collide with each other to leading in the increase in the pressure, the increase to energy of the collision of the cause of the expansion. Next question. 17 number question কি বলছে, which of the following the cloud are responsible as far as rainfall? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, cumulonimbus, this is the cloud of the responsible as far of the rainfall. Next question. 70 number question explain the cumulonimbus is the clouds is that the type is the cumulus and cloud of the associated with the thunderstorm and a heavy rainfall. They are also a variation of the nimbus and precipitation of the bearing of the cloud, and they are from the beneath in 20,000 feet is and are relatively the close of the ground. Next question. 18 number question কি বলছে, which of the following wind is the also known as a snow eater? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, chinook, just is the wind is also known as the snow eater. 18 number question explain the chinook is wind is known as the snow eater is along the eastern is the slope of the Rockies. They are the warm the dry wine, then provide of the welcome to respect from the long winter of the chill, the hot wine and the mild of the dry winter, the snow making of the gazing of the possible and the throughout the winter of the chinook is associated with his warm weather. It does not to lead his rainfall in the periods. Next question. 19 number question কি বলছে, the vertical is movement of air is the term as, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, air current, the vertical is movement of air is the term as. 90 number question explain, and is updraft is or the down raft is the vertical movement and of is the air is weather related is the phenomena is better is known as air is the current. These can be caused is differ is increase to in temperature and pressure on the impurity concentration. Temperature is the difference is can is cause the air is the current of the, because warmer air is the less dense than is the colder air, causing the warmer is the appear lighter of the rising of the air is the associated with the turbulence as a create is the low pressure on the surface. Next question. 20 number question কি বলছে, the tropical of the rain forest, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, gate is the plenty of the rainfall, the tropical of the rainforest. 20 number question explain the tropical rainforest in the characters in the two word and hot and wet. Mean is the monthly temperature exceed to 80 degrees Celsius during all month is of the year. Average to annual is the rainfall is the no less than in 1618 mm is the can exceed into 10 to also is the typically lies and between to 1715 millimeter and 3000 is millimeter is this is high level. The precipitation the result to the poor in soils of the due to is the latching to solid of the nutrition in the ground.